Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. As you can see by the title of this video, and maybe that's why you clicked on it, today we're gonna go to Isle of Mull. It's a place that so many of our friends really liked. They keep coming back to it. Neither of us really had a chance to stay there for longer than an hour or two, so today we're gonna go for 5 hours. It's definitely an upgrade. There is two different ways to get to Mull. You can either go to Oban and take the ferry from Oban to Mull, or if you are in the Ardnamurchan Peninsula, where we are for the summer, you can take the ferry from here as well. We actually talked about this in three videos ago over here, so feel free to watch it. Also, if you were wondering where is Callum, he's usually the one who starts our videos, you know, with his nice Scottish accent. For the last month and a half, he's been up at 7:30. He goes out through that door. There are some nice cliffs next to us, and he goes fishing. He's living full Highland life. So yeah, when he's back, we're gonna go to the car and we're gonna hit the road. So we're just heading over to Kilhowen, which is quite a big village in the West Ardnamurchan Peninsula, and this is where everything's happening. So if you want to take the ferry over to Mull, to Tobermory, this is the place to be. So I think it's gonna take us roughly 20 minutes to get there, and it's a beautiful drive, isn't it?
It's a very bonny drive. This is like the 5th time we've attempted this shot, because the first time we didn't press record, the second time the audio decided to go on us, so fingers crossed this actually works. The thing with Mull for us is that neither of us have a deep excitement or passion for Mull, and we don't know why that is. It's just never a place that either of us have been dead excited to visit. So hopefully that'll change today. So we've got 5 hours for Mull to prove to us what it's all about, and to see if it lives up to the rave reviews that it gets. We have open minds. We do like Tobermory, but I say the only thing that we've had in the past has just been too busy. So we're going to do a few things. We don't know anything about it. We know there's nice beaches there. We know there's a cheese place. We'll see if we can find the cheese place.
Definitely.
Rox wants to get ice cream.
Yeah.
I'm desperate to get some coffee. So that's our plan so far. Coffee and ice cream. See you on the other side.
Yeah. And here we are.
What's the story of Tobermory? So that's us just arrived in Tobermory, as you can see by the beautiful colourful buildings behind us. We're not going to spend too much time here because, as we said before, we've been to Tobermory. All we're going to do here is get a coffee. Are you getting ice cream right now?
Yeah.
Rock's getting an ice cream. And we'll probably just walk up the front, and then we're actually going to jump in the car and we're going to head and try and explore Mull a wee bit better. Places we haven't been before. First priority, check. Coffee time.
We just sat down on the bench.
And just enjoying the view.
Yeah. And you know what, Tobermory is really nice. Right now it's not too busy, it's still quite early, and you know, places are open, which is nice. So yeah, just enjoying beautiful views.
Beautiful views, beautiful weather.
So Mull definitely got some brownie points, because I went to get some ice cream and they had a wee raffle prize. I picked the ticket and we won another ice cream.
Free ice cream,
Free
huh?
ice cream.
So thank you for the people at the ice cream place.
Yes.
I don't know what the name of it is.
Thank you, ice cream people.
We have a full tank of fuel.
Yeah.
Happy days.
Happy days indeed. We're actually not far away from the cheese factory, from the cheese shop. So we're gonna go and have a wee goosey gander.
Goosey gander.
And maybe buy some cheese. So that's the first stop. Well, second stop or the first stop. Anyway, that's the priority.
Well, I don't know what stop it is, but it's a stop.
Are we ready?
We're ready. Oh, look at all those bonny wee coos.
I know. So cute.
Let's show me your bag, Rock.
Okay, sorry. I came in without a bag and I left with a bag. Got a nice smoked cheese.
Nice.
Perfect.
What a beautiful place, huh?
Stunning. So nice. It looks like a nice place to come and have a coffee and look out through the window, watch the cows. This is nice.
Another check for Mull, yeah?
Yeah.
That's our future house. Just we're here to view it because we plan on buying it. You know, just as soon as we find the money. Not bad, eh?
Yeah, it's nice.
Very beautiful. Bloody tourists.
I know, shocking.
On hands.
So we've been driving for about 50 minutes and we seriously underestimated how big this island is.
It's massive.
But yeah, one thing that we wanted to do is to visit a beach. So I just went on Google Maps and picked the closest beach that looked really nice on the map. So here we are.
Yes, and kind of as we suspected, and kind of what we mentioned before, Mull is super busy because we've just driven into the car park for the beach, which is a decent size, and it is packed to the gunnels. And obviously, you know, when you go to a beach in Scotland, if there's more than 6 people on it, it's busy.
It looks really nice.
Yeah, it looks cracking, so maybe that's
yeah.
why it's so popular.
Yeah, definitely.
But unfortunately, because the island's so big and we are very underprepared, as always, we're not going to have enough time to even scratch the surface of Mull. We're going to go to this beach and then we're going to have to slowly kind of head back towards the ferry. But I'm sure many people who watch this vlog are familiar with Mull, maybe visit quite often. So we thought maybe if you guys could let us know of places we should visit in Mull, hills to climb, beaches to see, so that the next time we come to Mull, we kind of have a better plan and then make a better video just based on Mull.
And you can let us know why, if you love Mull, you can tell us why did you fell in love with the island. It was just really interesting to know, so maybe we can
absorb that love.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright, but let's go and see this beach.
Let's go. It's just really nice to see so many people being in the water and enjoying themselves. It's just, it is really nice. We decided to drive back the longer way, and the moment we were south of the island and saw all those beautiful mountains, we knew that we will be back at some point to do some hiking.
Okay, Mull, you win. You're pretty stunning.
Wow.
Amazing. Really beautiful.
The question is, will I stall the car?
Don't stall the car, Rocks. No pressure, man.
No pressure.
Whee! There. Smashed it, Rocks.
Yeah.
Exciting news!
Here we are.
This exciting looking box. We went all the way to Isla. We picked up this box off of my brother Matthew, this guy right here. This guy right here. And inside this fancy looking box is a wee baby drone.
So obviously Callum crashed our last drone many times, and it officially died in Switzerland on the side of the cliff. So I think we can comfortably say that I will be from now on the main pilot, and hopefully this wee drone is gonna be safe in my hands.
So whilst we're waiting for the drone to get some juice, we're going to make some mac and cheese to prevent Rox's hunger getting any worse.
Yeah.
We don't want a hungry Rox.
We don't want hungry Rox.
What do we need? Mac and cheese.
I know that we had mac and cheese like 2 videos ago, but it's been actually probably almost 2 months. So I need mac and cheese.
Ingredients. We need yeast flakes, flour,
Mustard.
horrible little cheap mustard, a bit random, but chili olive oil for mac and cheese. We need vegan cheese,
Butter.
butter, soya milk. Most important, shit ton of garlic.
And parsley.
You don't need parsley.
We need
Matt.
parsley.
Parsley. Last but not least, sounds random, we must go into the whiskey cabinet because we need this stuff. Lafroig single malt, smoky whiskey and mac and cheese is a marriage made in heaven. Okay, we've actually forgot the most important ingredient in mac and cheese, and that is obviously macaroni. Cheap macaroni, that won't be enough because we like to make quite a lot. So we'll just kind of substitute it with normal pasta. Let's begin. First ingredient, butter. This is vegan mac and cheese, so it's kind of the same as normal mac and cheese, more or less. It's just you use vegan substitutes. Stick the butter in, melt it, mix it with flour. First stage. Now we go for the cheese. Just bang it all in. We usually go for 2 packets of cheese, but we're trying to save money, so we only go for 1. That does actually work, but usually the more cheese the better.
Come on, get it melted. Melt it.
Again, we want twice as much as that, but
Running out of.
that's all we got. Parsley, just stick everything in. That enough works.
A wee bit more, hen. Perfect. And I have the most important job. Wait. We don't actually have a recipe for the mac and cheese, but it was, I think, one of the first meals that you made for me. I think.
That's why she's with me.
Yeah.
If it wasn't for mac and cheese, I'd have been dumped.
That's probably true.
I'm going to state something very controversial here. But my vegan mac and cheese is better than real mac and cheese.
Very controversial.
Now, I'm someone who likes normal cheesy mac and cheese. Telling you, one reason the vegan stuff's better, you can eat more of it. It's not as filling.
That's very true.
And Rox puts a lot of garlic in there.
Yeah.
A lot.
You know, when you look at any recipe and the recipe says add 2 cloves of garlic, I'm like, you can't even taste the 2 cloves. If it says 2, that means you need to add 6. This is the reality
At
of
least
it.
I.
Garlic is life.
Final ingredient. We're not going to put the whole bottle in. Just,
A wee bit.
you don't want to put too much in because
Nice.
then you can't drink it.
Ardnamurchan was the first whiskey that I've tried, and I loved it. And yeah, things weren't the same.
So your life has not been the same since that first sip
No.
of the frog.
No.
Wait till you see how good this looks.
Nice.
And there you have it, folks. Callum's vegan mac and cheese with Rox's grated garlic.
We have these lovely plates that haven't smashed yet.
Amazing, eh?
Ah,
Keep it going, Knox.
this is probably supposed to be like 6 servings. It's more like
4 maybe, hopefully.
4. Carbs, carbs, and more carbs.
Look at that.
Hold on.
Oh, sorry.
I'm not finished yet. Come with me.
Oh yeah, that'll make all the difference.
Mm-hmm. Mmm.
Mm-mm.
Cold.
Cold, yes. And the macaroni tastes cheap.
Mmm.
But damn, that's good.
Very, very salt.
There you go.
It's perfect.
No, we should have heated it up a bit.
We should have. Oh well. Too late now.
Very nice. Tasty.
It's windy, windy.
Let's hope it's not too windy. Action. Look good?
It looks great.
How did it fly?
You can clearly see that it's super light because we could see it just being blown away. Like, bye!
Which isn't ideal considering where we live.
Yeah, we live in Scotland on the west coast.
But looks.
But yeah, it looks nice. We should check out the.
Let's just see how the footage is.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
So I think we can say we're pretty happy with that drone footage. It's not just as nice as our previous drone, but it was a fraction of the price, and it's so tiny and small.
Yeah,
But
yeah, it's great.
I think it's going to, bring our videos back up to the standard they were before, and you should expect a lot more dramatic drone shots from the next video we make.
Exactly.
Be good. And it just means we can showcase the places we travel and visit just on a different level.
Yeah, I'm just really excited to do some drone footage of this peninsula because it's beautiful and really showcase to you guys how middle of nowhere we are.
Yeah, it's going to be great. So
Yeah.
we're going to leave the video here. We hope to see you in the next video. And yeah, take it easy.
Nice. See you next time, guys.
Bye guys.
Bye.